sa mata ng Panginoon. So, we are not worthy on our own. So, most people wants to be good. So, we want to be accepted, like we want to be valuable. That's why we are trying to be good, help others and serve in church. But no matter how hard we try, we still make mistakes. So in Romans 3 verse 23 says, "For all have sinned and fall short of the glory." So, glory of God. So, itong verse na to is nag-remind sa atin na no one is perfect. So, lahat tayo nagkakasala, lahat tayo nag-fail. By ourselves, we are not worthy. So, when God called me to be a missionary, I asked myself, am I really worthy? At first, sobrang excited ko na pumunta ng campus. Kasi, yun nga, panibagong journey. January pa lang, English training pa lang, nandun ako sa campus. Nandun na kami sa campus ni Em. Pero, nung dumating ako sa campus, at nakita ko yung mga kasamahan ko, yung mga batchmates ko, I doubted myself that time. Sabi ko, ang gagaling nila mag-speak. At makikita mo sa kanila na they are very committed. Naramdaman ko yung naramdaman ni Moses when he said, "Lord, I am not good at speaking." I felt like Isaiah when he said, "I am a person of unclean lips." But one time, God reminded me na it's not about me. It's about Him. So, I realized that time, kung kayo have ever felt unworthy, I want to tell you, you are not alone. But Jesus made us worthy. So, even though we are